Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ChargePoint station availability via API step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ChargePoint developer portal website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the API documentation section. Look for the section that details the ChargePoint station availability API. Review the authentication requirements outlined in the documentation. Make sure to generate an API key if needed. Next, open your preferred code editor or IDE. Create a new project to keep your files organized. In your project, create a new file to store the script. Import any necessary libraries for making API requests. For Python, you might want to use the requests library. Define the base URL for the ChargePoint availability API. Set up the headers, including your API key for authentication. Next, construct the API request URL, ensuring to include any parameters you need. Use the requests library to send a GET request to the API. Store the response from the API in a variable. Check if the response status code is 200 for a successful request. If the response is successful, parse the JSON data returned. Access the specific parts of the data that contain station availability. Store this information in a variable for further use. Optionally, format the output for better readability. You can choose to print the station availability data to the console. If needed, consider saving the output to a file for later reference. Finally, test your script to ensure it works as expected. Make adjustments if you encounter any errors or issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.